Where the fuck is the fucking dog?
Where's the dog, guys? I don't know.
Come on, fess up. Where the hell's the dog at, guys? It's not cool. Where the fuck's the dog? Where is the dog? Come on.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Chloe! 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 Chloe!
It is bedtime. Let's go.
No way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.